Hey, welcome to Diversity in Cinema Academy. I'm Theta Catalan, and this is the place to be if you're an indie filmmaker, video creator, and screenwriter. Okay, so we deep into this 24 filmmaking tips till Christmas. We getting close. So today's video is going to be all about stunts. And so I'm gonna give you a few quick little tips on what you need to be thinking about when you decide to have stunts in your film. Because of the whole situation that happened with Alec Baldwin, is to make sure that if you're going to have, firearms on your set, it's a Christmas movie. You're making a Christmas movie, so you don't even need you don't need a real gun. You can have a fake prop gun that cannot shoot nothing. No blanks, no nothing can come out of it. So that, first off, is my suggestion to you. And you still should have somebody that handles weapons with that fake prop gun. And then when you have that fake prop gun, you show it to, I don't have a fake gun, y'all, so we're gonna use something. I don't know, we're gonna use this. So you're gonna show it to the talent, and you're going to, it shouldn't even be able to, most prop guns don't even pull back to open up the chamber because there ain't nothing to put in the chamber, but some of them do. So you're gonna pull it back, and then you're gonna even show them the fake magazine, because some of them can't even come out, and if they do, you can show there's nothing in it, there's nothing inside of the chamber. So that is what you want to do on your film set. So if you have some weird Christmas movie, I'm not gonna say weird Christmas movie, because did they have guns in Home Alone? It's been a while since I've seen Home Alone. Let me know in the comment section if they had guns in Home Alone. But if they did, if the burglars had some, I guarantee you that was a fake prop gun. And if they didn't, I don't understand why they had a real gun. But anyway, so that is what you should do. Now, one thing about it, when you have, that's not really a stunt, to be honest with you. So I just gave y'all some safety in this stunt video. But a stunt, like if you had somebody fighting, one of the things, especially if you're dealing with SAG-AFTRA talent, the SAG is going to ask you to describe that whole situation out, like what they doing, you know what I'm saying? Because you may need a stunt coordinator to be on set. So if it's just some simple, like they just tussling, grabbing each other's shoulders, well, you don't necessarily need a stunt coordinator for that. But if you have people picking up people, slamming them on the floor and doing, all kind of MMA moves and all of that, I don't know why you would be doing that in a Christmas movie unless you got one of them dark ones. I like dark ones. So if you got a dark one in mind, let me know in the comment section. But so if you do, when they're doing some MMA fighting or whatever, then you need a stunt coordinator. Stunt coordinators, they start at just a little over $1,000 to get them in your film. Now, don't quote me on that. The reason why I say don't quote me on it, because I want you to go to the union site, because they have different tiers. They have ultra low budget, they have moderate low budget, and just different types of film budgets. And I did a video about budgeting, and specifically about like union rates, and I talk a lot about the ultra low budget films, because that's what new filmmakers mostly make. So you can check that video out so you can get an idea of that. And it also has links to the union, so if you want to visit the union site just to get an idea of how much it would cost to have a stunt coordinator, then I suggest that you do that. But here's the deal, say for instance, your actor may not necessarily want to do some of the stunts. Like if you have them, like in my film Created Equal, we had our actor, she do a face plant, you know what I mean, on a porch outside. She won't do that. So we had to get a stunt player to do that. So that's something else you need to be thinking about in your budget. All your actors may not necessarily want to do that. And does it require your stunt coordinator to bring out additional equipment to pull off those stunts? So now you have to pay for that additional equipment that need to bring out in order to pull off those stunts. So I highly recommend, If you plan on having stunts in your film, that you do a lot more research on exactly what it takes to pull off that stunt. And another thing that's going to impact your budget as far as stunts is concerned is insurance. That will drive your budget up. Well, it will drive your budget up because your insurance is going to be higher because you have stunts in it. So keep that in mind when you're deciding to do stunts in your film. So those are my few little tips that I'm giving you on stunts. If you want a full video all about stunts, let me know and I will do a video later in 2023 about that, because we're gonna go ahead and finish this year out with these 24 filmmaking tips till Christmas. Okay, so that's it for this video. My next video is going to be about talent and hiring talent for your film. So check in tomorrow to see that video. Hey, thanks for tuning in to my 24 filmmaking tips till Christmas. If you are enjoying this series, be sure to visit Diversity in Cinema Academy's website, where they have a ton of resources there. If you're interested in leveling up your film business, you can check out my online course,